As a dog lover, my puppies like as my child. That's why I always try to take best option for my puppies. I use some most amazing collars for my puppies. Puppies collars are a great way to make your dog look good and feel better. Those collars look great on any type or size of dog, from large breeds to smaller dogs. They're made of super soft premium leather for comfort, so you can forget about bulky tags and tags that hurt when it rubs behind their ears. It features durable stitching, cute designs, and quality fasteners that ensures its long-lasting performance, made with 100% genuine leather. So you can take one of them. Link in the description below.